Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best folding bicycles that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a premium pick, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Ranked at number 5, we have the ZiZZO Ferro, the most budget-friendly option on our list. With a price tag of just $269.99, this bike is perfect for those who want a reliable folding bike without breaking the bank. The Ferro features a high-tensile steel frame, which ensures durability while keeping the cost low. It folds in seconds, making it easy to carry and store. And its compact folded size of 27 inches by 31 inches by 14 inches is ideal for commuters and urban riders. Performance-wise, the Ferro comes equipped with 7 speeds and a grip-style shifter, giving you versatility for tackling various terrains. Its multi-terrain tires and V-style brakes provide decent grip and stopping power, making it suitable for casual rides and short-distance commutes. At 29 pounds, it's lightweight enough to carry when folded, but sturdy enough to support riders up to 240 pounds. However, the steel frame makes it slightly heavier compared to aluminum models, which might be a consideration for some users. Overall, the ZiZZO Ferro is a great entry-level option for beginners or riders seeking a simple, cost-effective folding bike. Its key benefits include affordability, ease of use, and decent performance for everyday rides. On the downside, the steel frame adds weight, and its features are somewhat basic compared to higher-end models. If you're looking for a no-frills folding bike for commuting or leisure, this is an excellent choice. Coming in at number 4 is the ZiZZO Campo, priced at $319.99. This lightweight folding bike offers exceptional value for its price, with an aluminum alloy frame that keeps the weight down to just 28 pounds. It folds easily in seconds, with a compact folded size of 27 inches by 31 inches by 12.5 inches. Making it perfect for urban dwellers or anyone tight on storage space. The Campo features 7 speeds and a grip-style shifter, providing smooth transitions and versatility for both flat and slightly hilly terrains. The adjustable aluminum alloy stem and wider saddle ensure a comfortable riding experience, while the resin folding pedals and magnetic frame catcher make it highly functional. The Campo is recommended for riders aged 16 to 75, and it supports up to 240 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of users. On the performance side, the Campo shines in its lightweight design and ease of portability. Its aluminum frame offers durability without the added weight of steel, making it easier to carry when folded. The bike's linear pull brakes provide reliable stopping power, but it may lack some advanced features seen in higher-tier models. Overall, the ZiZZO Campo is a fantastic choice for commuters and casual riders who want a lightweight, easy-to-fold bike with solid performance at a mid-range price. At number 3, we have the Gotrax 20-inch folding electric bike, which stands out as the only electric option on this list. While the price isn't listed, this bike offers features that justify its premium appeal. It's powered by a 48V battery and a 500W motor, enabling it to reach a top speed of 20 miles per hour. With pedal assist functionality, you can ride up to 40 miles, making it ideal for longer commutes and outdoor adventures. Design-wise, the Gotrax R1 combines portability with functionality. Its foldable frame has a compact size of 37.4 by 17.7 by 27.5 inches when folded, making it easy to store in small spaces or transport in your car. The large LCD display provides essential ride metrics, including speed and battery life, while dual disc brakes ensure safety and stopping power. The bike also features a Bell LED headlights and rear reflectors for added visibility during night rides. Performance is where the Gotrax shines, offering smooth and powerful rides across various terrains thanks to its 20-inch by 2.6 inches tires. However, at 45 pounds, it's significantly heavier than non-electric models, which might be a drawback for some users. the inclusion of 3 riding modes, pure electric, pedal assist, and manual, adds versatility to the mix, making it suitable for both leisurely rides and serious commutes. If you're looking for a folding bike that combines convenience with electric power, the Gotrax R1 is an excellent choice, though its weight and price may be considerations. At number 2, we have the ZiZZO Via, priced at $407. This folding bike is a standout in terms of lightweight design, coming in at just 26.5 pounds, which is the lightest option on this list. Its aluminum frame is durable yet easy to carry, and it folds into a compact size of 27 inches by 31 inches by 12.5 inches, making it ideal for urban commuting and storage in tight spaces. The Via is equipped with genuine Shimano components, including a 7-speed grip-style shifter that ensures smooth and reliable gear changes. The bike also features resin folding pedals, a wider saddle for added comfort, and a magnetic frame catcher to securely hold the folded bike. It's recommended for riders aged 16 to 75 and supports up to 240 pounds, making it a versatile choice for various users. In terms of performance, the ZiZZO Via excels in portability and ease of use, thanks to its lightweight frame and efficient design. The linear pull brakes provide reliable stopping power, and the bike's build quality ensures durability for long-term use. While it may lack some advanced features like rear suspension, its lightweight build and premium components make it an excellent mid-range option for commuters and casual riders alike. If you value portability and high-quality components, the ZiZZO Via is hard to beat. And finally, at number 1, we have the ZiZZO Forte, the premium pick on our list at $569. This heavy-duty folding bike is built for maximum durability and versatility, boasting an impressive weight capacity of 300 pounds. Its aluminum frame strikes a perfect balance between strength and portability, and it folds down to a compact size for easy storage. The Forte features an 8-speed Shimano drivetrain with a trigger shifter, offering superb performance for tackling hills and flat terrains alike. Its rear suspension adds extra comfort, while the inclusion of fenders and a rack makes it ideal for commuters who need to carry items or ride in wet conditions. At 26 pounds, it's relatively lightweight for a heavy-duty bike, making it easy to carry when folded. What sets the Forte apart is its robust build quality and attention to detail. From the leather saddle to the durable aluminum alloy fenders, every component is designed for long-term use. It's perfect for riders seeking a premium folding bike that can handle heavier loads and more demanding rides. While the price is on the higher side, the ZiZZO Forte delivers exceptional value for those who prioritize durability, comfort, and performance. It's the ultimate choice for serious commuters and adventure seekers. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.